We are at the Burke Center Library, and we are having a preschool program for 2 to 3-year-olds on trains. I offer programs with a similar theme, and I choose 3 programs, so it's a series of 3. Right now we're doing transportation, and this is our first program in that series. We're fortunate today to have a special guest. His name is Mr. John Varana. He is the Vice President of the Fairfax Station Railroad Museum in Fairfax. And he will be singing songs about trains, and he's brought a wooden train set for the children to play with and see, and we'll read a story called Freight Train by Donald Cruz. Going fast? Yeah, it doesn't slow down. Moving in darkness. It must be nighttime now. Moving in daylight.
We come to this library sometimes, like probably once a week or twice a week. Then they always provide a monthly letter or a monthly magazine. So they have lots of events going on. And they set it up little train, toys. So he wants to play. Even he has at the home, it's the kind of same things. He wants to play same things. So it's good things.
This is an opportunity for them to develop early literacy skills, and that's what we promote here at the library.